Hi folks! Today, Sunshine and I is secretly filming for my a message for Miracle's birthday on the 11th. And today is August 9, 25, around 2:30 in the afternoon. So, here is my message. I hope you like it. Dear Miracle, your birthday reminds me of how much you've grown up and how grateful I am that I am your mother. Your kindness and compassion extend life and inspire me daily. Watching you becoming you has been my joy. I believe all children has a unique seeds bestowed from our heavenly parents. Each generation has a unique life experience to share. Here's a special seeds about you. Your creativity and passion inspire anyone around you. Your shining light makes the world a better place. Your empathy, inclusiveness are your superpower. I wish your birthday filled with all abundance, peace, and harmony, and more adventures may come. Your vision, your voice were exactly what the world needed. Keep going, pursuing your mission and passion. Me and other inner circle make us all grateful to have you as your mother and as your bestie. As a woman, you have the ability to see the world through lens of positivity and a beacon of hope. You're gifted, your hard work and your diligence breaks through boundaries, achieving greatness. Take it to heart. Your beloved mama is behind you. Our journey to the unknown begin again. I can't wait to see all the amazing greatness you could create. My endless love and devotion and the utmost respect are vital to any relationship. And you know that. Your actions speak volume. Your resilience and your strength may continue to amaze me day in and day out. You navigated the fast-paced world with grace and courage, and how so graciously grateful, how incredible person you become. Your firmness and courage allows you to speak up, to stand for what is right, which filled us both confident. This year, I wish the universe bring endless wealth, abundance, and any opportunities to your new horizon. Haha! Sometimes, however, you, me, and anyone out there needs reminder. The master key lead to achieve success is to take time to balance yourself, nurturing your body and mind. Be grounded with your soul's moral compass. As your vital vehicles for growth, I wish your path be filled with adventures that may expand your new horizons, and your journey seems worth to share around human family. I love you. My love and devotion become our wall to rebuild strong foundation. Due to the trials and tribulation, the misery that we've been through, allow us to rise up to sense of awareness that me seems anything is possible. Together, we do it right. I love you. Have fun. Enjoy your gracious birthday. I know God is good.